How do you remove a keloid from the earlobe? Keloids are scars that have grown beyond the site of the initial injury that caused them. This is common to see on the earlobe after an ear piercing in those that are prone to keloid formation. You can remove a keloid from the earlobe, but you must ensure to follow through with close follow-up visits to ensure that the keloid does not regrow. Your surgeon will want to make sure to check your earlobes every couple of months for multiple visits to assess if the incision line is becoming thick, itchy, or painful. These can be signs that the keloid is starting to recur and needs to be injected with something called Kenalog, a corticosteroid injection that helps to treat and prevent these early keloids. For more related advanced answers, select from one of these videos. And please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more educational videos, live surgery footage, real patient experiences, demonstrations, and so much more. You can also contact me at hope@351face.com with some topics that you would like for us to explore. We'll see you in our next video.